Hey, this is Mike with RPS Solar Pumps. We've gotten a lot of solar questions over the last couple of months. Today I want to go through those and answer some of the most common questions. Today's question is, how long does a solar pump last? So this is a very common question because we do understand you're making an investment in your farm, your property, and you want to know how long that investment's going to last. We like to call these generational systems. So you install it out in your pasture and then pass it on to the next generation. We design the systems for 10 years of normal usage, and in general that's a 6-hour pumping day. Now that 10 years, that's the design lifetime, and so we want to try to make sure everything's going to last at least that long. But we also understand with any mechanical system, there is the possibility of failure of parts and components. But the great news is these systems are very modular. So you're able to replace individual components, say the controller, the solar panels, or the pump, separately. So if anything goes wrong, don't worry, we can replace out one of the parts and get your system back up and running. So with today's technologies, this is a very reliable system, and we expect years and years of dependable water pumping. If you have any solar questions, leave them in the comments below and they'll be featured in a future video, or we'll answer them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're producing new content every week, so hit that notification button and subscribe to the videos to stay up to date on the latest solar pumping news.